This is p. P is a popping sound. We make it by puffing out our cheeks, then popping them. The sound comes out very quickly, like a pop. P. When p pops, it can pop into other sounds, like this.
P, P, pop.
Likes to go into words like pig, princess, palace, and of course, pop. P's favourite letter is letter P. P loves to go into letter P, and sometimes has a popping party.